Recently, I ventured into the remote villages of Sindh, a place where the world seems untouched by time. This was not just a trip, it was an opportunity to explore new places, meet incredible people, and contribute to a meaningful cause. This is the HIVE project, where the mission is clear to bring the digital world to those who need it most. In these areas where basic facilities are scarce, we set up internet connections, ensuring that even the most remote communities are included in the digital revolution. It was not just about the technology, it was about connecting people to opportunities, to knowledge, to each other. Meeting the locals, seeing their excitement, made every effort worth it. But this trip was more than just a technical mission. It made me think about the things we often take for granted. It was a humbling reminder of the disparity that exists and the power we have to bridge it. As we packed up and prepared to leave, I realized this is more than just a project. It is a step towards a future where no one is left behind. This is digital inclusion in action, and it is a reminder of how fortunate we are and how much more we can do.